Everything is now official. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is coming, packed with exciting features. The phone with the thinnest bezels ever, magnetic wireless charging technology like MagSafe, and most importantly, the most powerful processor in the world. At first glance, it might seem like just a minor upgrade, but the Galaxy S25 Ultra could make you want to upgrade this year, even if you already own the S24 Ultra. So, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Let's dive in. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is just around the corner. Samsung has already announced the official launch date, and this year, they will release 4 models: the new S25 Slim, S25, S25 Plus, and the star of the show, the S25 Ultra. Let's start with the design. As confirmed by leaks, the S25 Ultra will feature a slightly refreshed look compared to the S24 Ultra. The edges will be subtly curved, while the frame will have a flat design. I know many people prefer the old sharp-edge design, but don't worry, the curve is minimal, maintaining the familiar S Ultra design language. At the back, the camera layout is being upgraded with a sleek black finish for the camera rings, and the phone itself will be slimmer. Furthermore, the camera bump will be less prominent, measuring just 2.4 millimeters, significantly smaller than the 4.3 millimeter bump on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This year, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is all about amazing colors. The main shade is titanium blue, but you'll also find cool options like titanium black, titanium gray, titanium white, and some exclusive colors you can only get online. Moving to the front, the crazy screen Samsung has been perfecting. The S25 Ultra will feature the thinnest bezels ever, with the screen size increased from 6.8 inches on the S24 Ultra to a massive 6.9 inches. The display will also be brighter, going from 2600 nits on the S24 Ultra to an incredible 3000 nits, and better anti-reflection. And all of this comes with the durability of Corning Gorilla Armor 2. In short, this will be the best smartphone display on the market, once again cementing Samsung's dominance in display technology. The most powerful aspect of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the strongest processor in the world, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. First, the exciting news is that it will be featured across the entire S25 series, no Exynos and no MediaTek. Second, according to leaked benchmarks, this 3nm chip processor is incredibly powerful, surpassing all competitors. What's even more exciting is that the S25 Ultra will feature an enhanced version of this processor. Thanks to Samsung's collaboration with Snapdragon, the Galaxy lineup will get a special Snapdragon for Galaxy version, with a higher clock speed of 4.47 GHz compared to the standard 4.32 GHz. This means we can expect insane performance from the Galaxy S25. Simply put, it's on another level, and with better power efficiency, the battery drain will be reduced. Speaking of the battery, it's only slightly disappointing, still 5000 mAh with 45-watt charging, but this doesn't mean the battery performance will be bad or even comparable to last year's model. Thanks to the processor's efficiency, we can still expect excellent battery life. What's exciting is the new Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging technology, which works just like MagSafe. We've waited a long time for this feature, and it's finally coming to the Galaxy S lineup. When it comes to the camera, there aren't major changes on paper. The ultra-wide lens is getting an upgrade from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels, while the 200 megapixels main sensor and periscope lenses remain the same. However, expect significant improvements in software processing and AI, enhancing both photo and video quality. According to the teaser, Samsung is heavily focusing on Galaxy AI, which will bring unique and powerful AI features. And since we all know Apple Intelligence capabilities are catching up, Samsung is poised to take the lead in this area. Let's not forget the S Pen, which will also receive AI enhancements, making the user experience and Galaxy AI features stand out even more. Officially, Samsung will announce the Galaxy S25 series on January 22nd, just a few days away. Pre-orders are expected to begin immediately after the announcement, with the phone available starting in early February. As for the price, leaks suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will start at $1,299, with no price increase this year. Without a doubt, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be one of the best smartphones of 2025, outshining many competitors, especially the iPhone 16 Pro Max. While it may seem like just a small upgrade, in my opinion, the S25 Ultra has enough powerful features to make it worth upgrading even from the S24 Ultra. What do you think? Do you believe the Galaxy S25 Ultra is worth the upgrade? Let us know your thoughts in the the comments below. Want to know more about smartphones leaks? Check out this next video. Leave a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.